Hi, this is Tim Rozansky with PDQ Restoration, and today I'm going to go over the top mistakes to avoid after a house fire. Recovering from a house fire is overwhelming, and avoiding common mistakes is crucial for a smooth restoration process. Here is what not to do. Delaying professional help. Waiting too long allows soot, smoke, and water damage to worsen. Contact emergency fire restoration services immediately. Entering too soon. Fire damaged homes can be unstable with lingering hazards. Wait for a fire damage assessment before entering. Improper smoke cleanup. Using incorrect methods can make smoke odors permanent. Hire professionals for smoke damage cleanup and deodorization. Neglecting soot removal. Soot is acidic and can corrode surfaces over time. Ensure proper soot removal to prevent further water damage. Ignoring water damage. Water from firefighting efforts can lead to mold and structural issues. Fire and water damage repair is essential for drying and dehumidifying. Failing to document damage. Lack of proper documentation can delay insurance claims. Take photos, videos, and keep records of all damage and repairs. Overlooking temporary repairs. Secure your property with boarding and tarping to prevent additional damage. Not understanding insurance policies. Review your coverage and consider hiring a public adjuster to navigate insurance claims for fire damage. DIY restoration. Fire damage requires specialized knowledge and equipment. Trust professionals for thorough and safe restoration. To conclude, avoiding these mistakes ensures a faster, more effective recovery. At PDQ Restoration, we provide expert fire and water damage restoration across North Jersey with top-rated Google reviews. We ensure fast and professional service. Call PDQ today.